Welcome to our Live a Legacy Network. Here's another episode of Tech Tuesday, Straight Talk with Ricky. Our intentions are to educate you on the latest cutting edge technology that you probably didn't even know existed. Here are 3 ways you can benefit from this new knowledge. 1. I need it, and I will pay someone to do it for me. 2. I really need it, and I will learn how to do this for myself. 3. I love it. I will master this skill and create a new side hustle so I can make extra income. Click subscribe right now and let's jump right in.
Welcome to our new video on WordPress. Today I will show you the dashboard of an WordPress site. Let's log into our dashboard. So this is the dashboard of our WordPress site. So from here we can see our WordPress site also. So click here and see the button comes down and its name is visit site. Here is the here is our website right now, the present situation of our website. Okay, from here you can see there is lots of option. Number 1 option is post. From this section we can add new post, we can select some categories, we can divide categories, we can use tags. Then the second option is media. From here you can add any kind of media file like images, like audios, like videos, any kind of. Then pages, from here you can add pages, you can add comments, you can use and this section called appearance. From here you can add any kind of themes. Themes you can buy it or you can use the free themes. Then plugins, lots of plugins are already installed in our WordPress. Then you can also download plugins from any kind of WordPress site. Then users, from here you can select your user, you can make admin, you can make another user, you can see your profile. And the tools is part of this WordPress site where you can do some settings kind of things. Okay, let's go to the post section. This is the post right now we have. The post title name is good luck and hello world. If you want to add a new post, so here is a button called add new. So click on this add new button. Then you can add any kind of title here. Today is a busy day. Today is a busy day. So here you can select any categories, you can use tags here, you can use any kind of pictures here. Lots of kind of work you can add from here. So if you published, so now go to our blogs. See, there is another post called today is a busy day. So from here you can do any kind of post. Go to the dashboard. See, there is a post called today is a busy day. You can edit from here. So this is here, you can edit it. You can do any kind of page break, paragraph. You can make a gallery here. So if I post any kind of pictures here, we can post it. Like if you want to post this picture, then update it. Just click on the update button, then see the views of this post. See, it's automatically updated after you complete the update button. Then you can so this is how we can post any kind of new post in WordPress. Then go to add new. Same things, you can also add a new post here. Click on the add button, categories, tags. Now from here you can add media. Go to media, then you can see there is a option called add new. So here you can add, you can drag and drop your any files, or you can just select the file. So if you want to add any videos, click on the select any videos here, so you can cause the it's big. So go to the select button, then add button, and go to the file, whatever you want to add. See, you can see there is a post, and then pages, all pages. You can create any kind of pages from here. Just add a new page. This is a new page. Publish, publish. Go to our blogs, reload this. This is a new page. See, this is a new page. If you want another page here, publish it, publish. Go to our blog, refresh it. This is all about me. So from here you can add lots of new pages, whatever you want, or as per your requirement, add new. So same things, if you want to go to direct on the page create button, so you can add new here, publish, publish. Okay. So today I will just give you the some example of post media and the pages and the users part. Then in our next video I will show you how we work on this comment section, appearance section, and plugin section. Now we'll go to user section. User, see, this is the administrator with his email. You can add new user here, like you can fill up any things. Username Ahmed Roy, email, most important part, Fasten Ahmed Joy, then website, no need, show the password. Okay, add new. So you can select any kind of roles. He can edit your site, he can be a administrator, he can contributor of your site, so you have to fix it. So if you make him in administrator, he will access all over your site, so he can do anything in your site. If he's an editor, he can see some posted something, some work of your site, so you can make him editor. So make him administrator, make editor, add a new user. So he's the editor right now. So this guy is the editor of your site. See, you can see it. Then you can also see how much post you posted and how much post your editor posted. So you already post 3 posts, and that guy is not is a new and a fresh guy. He didn't post anything. So this is for today. Hope we'll see the next video, and I will show you how this section, comments, appearance, and plugins are working. Thank you. Thank you.